Hey everybody, it's your girl Yvette here. So I wanted to do another hair video for you, but this time I'm going to use styling gel. I have not used a gel in my hair for many years, so I wanted to see how it would turn out. But before we get started, I wanted you guys to see the condition of my hair. I'm really quite shocked over how dry, brittle, and dull it is ever since I stopped dyeing it. I really thought that once I stopped using chemicals on it, it would be in better condition. And it obviously is not. So I'm going to have to start looking for deep conditioners and masks that are really going to bring back strength and moisture. Okay, so first things first, I'm parting my hair into two sections. I have thin hair, so I don't need to make smaller sections. And then what I'm going to do is just brush out all the tangles starting from the end and then work my way up to the scalp. I think it's really important for you to be very gentle with dry, brittle hair such as mine, when you're combing it out, because what happens is if you rake through the ends of your hair, and I know it does look like I'm raking through that here, but I'm not, but if you rake through it, you run the risk of destroying the integrity of any haircuts that you get, because you'll just end up breaking off the ends and then it won't look neat and fresh and blunted, but it'll just look jagged. Okay, so in this part, I am just wetting my hair using plain old tap water, nothing special here. But I will say this much, I was spraying my hair quite a bit and it was not getting damp, so my hair was so dry, it was just like sucking up that water and screaming for more. Although I had gotten all the tangles out before, I did just start to comb through the hair once again to distribute the water evenly throughout. The styling product that I'm using here is Pantene Flexible Wave Gel. The reason why I went with this one is because it says it will fight humidity and of course control frizz, that it will put spring into your curls, and it also said that it will give you styling without stiffness and stickiness, so I really liked that. As you can see here, I've also added a few drops of argan oil just because my hair needs the extra moisture. I'm just showing you the back of my head because I feel like you can see how nice and glossy and shiny it looks. I wasn't sure at this point if it was going to stay that way once it was dry, but I did like the way it looked and I really liked the way it felt. And right now what I'm doing is just helping those gray hairs into their natural coils. So before, when my hair was dyed, and definitely when it was naturally brown, I didn't have to do do that, but now with my gray hair, because it's a little more wiry, it does not form those curls as easily. And as you can see, I'm adding a little extra argan oil because, hey, why not? This is about 30 minutes later. It's almost dry. What I'm doing here is just breaking apart some of the curls in the front because I always try to give the appearance of having fuller hair, and so breaking apart the curls helps that. And here is the final look. I have to say I'm very happy with the way it looks. It is definitely a major improvement from that witch's broom, that haystack from just a few minutes ago. I don't know that it's as shiny as I would like it to be, but hey, I'm not really complaining. I think it looks nice. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.